wondering how you might map the word rough, stay tuned, we'll look at that one today. I'm Angela Ema, I'm a literacy consultant and teacher trainer. So let's say we've identified this word rough is a great one to use. What other words might go in that group that can be handy because they have a connection? Well, let's think. Rough. If you can say this word before I write it, that would be fantastic. Rough. Tough. Enough. What do we notice about those words? Well, in these words, the OU makes the sound and the GH makes the sound. Great job. And we can see that pattern across those words. So they are really handy ones for us to map. So let's start with the first one, rough. So let's start by saying the word rough. Turn to our partner, look at each other's mouths as you say the word twice, watching that your mouth is moving the right way and also that the sounds are nice and clear in that word. Off you go, 2 times. Great job. Now we're going to slow it down. Listen first. Listen again. Turn to your partner. Do that twice. Great job. Now we're going to count those sounds. So hand up near our face. I'll do it first. Turn to your partner. Do it twice. Great job. Now we need to look over here and figure out which letters make each of the sounds. If you're at home, you can make those sounds every time with me. It's really helpful. Let's do it again. So there are more letters in the words than there are sounds because some of the letters work with another letter to make a sound. So let's now move our marker. Off you go. Do that on your board. Great job. Every time you move the markers, always remember to make the sounds. Now we're on writing the letters for the sounds. And again, we want to make those sounds every time we write the letters in. Do that at home. Great job. Now we're going to check it. So place your finger underneath the first letter of the word and we're going to lock our eyes in on the letters as our eyes move across the letters in order. So we're going to check that what we can see matches now what we can hear. I'll do it one more time. And now I blend all those sounds together. You listen. Rough. Do that at home. Break it up and check it twice and then blend the whole word together. Off you go. If it looks the way you think it should look, so the letters match the sounds, then write it at the bottom. You might be able to write it really quickly now because you've got the letters up above. You've done all the really hard work. So when we write down the bottom, we try to write it more quickly. Rough. And now, once again, I'm going to put my finger under the first letter, look all the way through the word at the letters in order and check that the letters I can see, so the groups of letters I see, match the sounds that I can hear. Rough. So 2 segments watching for the sounds in the letter groups, and then a blend at the end. Off you go, write it in, check it, and blend it. Great job. Now, if you want a real challenge, what you can do now is rub these off and see if you can remember that the OU makes the sound and the GH makes the f sound. If you would like a middle level challenge, what you can do is rub them off and write yourself the clues at the side, but you take them out of the word. So that's a mid-level challenge. If you want a total challenge, rub everything off. But don't rub them off before you think you can manage them. Okay? Have a go on one of the other words. Now, you might try them on the word tough. You might try the word enough. Now, if you know tough, rough, and enough, I'll bet you could even try the word touch. It only has one of those spelling patterns, but if you can do these trickier ones, you can probably do touch much more easily. Have a go at another one or two and have a lot of fun. Thanks, everyone.